Welcome to the step-by-step guide to Santander Graduate Account. This guide will walk you through the process of applying for and managing a Santander Graduate Account. Firstly, it is essential to understand what a graduate account is. A graduate account is a type of bank account designed for recent graduates, offering benefits such as overdraft facilities and no monthly fees. To apply for a Santander Graduate Account, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria. This includes being a UK resident, having a valid graduate visa, and having graduated from a university within the last 3 years. Once you have checked your eligibility, you can begin the application process. This can be done online, over the phone, or in branch. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, and student loan details. After submitting your application, Santander will review and verify your information. This may involve a credit check and verification of your graduate status. If your application is successful, you will be offered an arranged overdraft facility. This can be up to £2,000 in the first year, and up to £1,500 in the second and third years. To manage your account, you can use online banking, mobile banking, or visit a Santander branch. It is essential to keep track of your account activity and ensure you do not exceed your overdraft limit. Best practice is to set up regular payments to pay off your overdraft and avoid interest charges. You should also regularly review your account statements and report any suspicious activity to Santander. In conclusion, a Santander Graduate Account can be a useful tool for recent graduates, offering flexibility and support during the transition to the workforce. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively apply for and manage a Santander Graduate Account, helping you to achieve financial stability and independence.